So I was just uploading all of my videos, and I made like this thing. Don't know what it is, but made it. So I uploaded all of my videos, and so I kind of had a rush for my last video that I uploaded, and because I was going to Barnes & Noble's, and guess what I found at Barnes & Noble's? Crazy Aaron's Thinking Buddy. This is great. Something great to discover. And I think I found one more thing I am so excited about. I don't know. I already opened it, but let me cut it. Something. Yeah, I got it out. Crazy Aaron's thing, it got stuck to the bottom whenever I opened it. So that's great. But I haven't opened it yet. Brand new NATO straw. I've got a NATO straw. Right. Let's compare. So this one, it's been had probably 2,000 squishes, and it's very soft. Let's open this. I'm going to keep the box. I'm not going to keep it in the box, but I'm going to keep it. Oh my gosh, it's harder. Right off from the start. Got this at Barnes & It's harder. But they both say styling, Yuhan China. Just compare. Can you see? There's so much hairs you cannot even see it. But there's so much hairs. This one, perfectly clean. This is great. I love it.
This room was clean.
So, bye.